Alrighty. Cool beans. Let's see here. Video should be coming through shortly. Alright. So, we are live now. I'm going to be working on this, turning it into a vinyl graphic. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colors. I actually have to go check to see if we have that light blue. I'll be right back. Actually, I'm installing Windows right now as well, so 1 second. Once that finishes loading, I gotta load up a disk in there, which should have another one of those disks around here somewhere. Okay. That's this. So give me a second. Yeah, stream is still fine. Awesome. So, I have two MiFi mobile hotspots now. It only costs another 20 bucks a month, so there's really no fucking reason not to. Yeah. I gotta wait and see what Peck says here. I'm gonna become the new server manager for his Zombie RP server, and there's a lot of infighting going on right now in his community right now between his staff because he just had to make a post about it. You know, I'm not server manager yet, but it's probably gonna happen. But currently, his staff, he doesn't trust them as much as he does me. He gave me full control over his scripts on the Gary's Mod store. I helped develop the new models, breakable models, everything. Yep, so he's gonna wait. He is gonna work me up to the positions, probably fast, but. Okay. Let's start this, shall we? So, I gotta clear off some space real quick. Get out of the way. Oh, wait, I'll check this here, actually. Cool. That's nice. Alright, so got that. I need a good guy. Okay. Alright. Alrighty. So we're about ready to start. I'm getting the cutter ready for. What fell? Something fell. Okay, well, I'm getting the cutter ready for doing this. So. Alright, so we need black, brown, gray, dark blue, light blue, red, white. So I need white, dark blue, red. We can have red, blue, there's white, I need white. It's always nice when you can find scrap pieces of vinyl like this. Alright. Alright, I'm going to start the up-to-date process on this. Checking on updates. It's also breakfast time. Alright. So I'm going to get the white locked in, because that's what we're going to cut first. Brown, let's see. Black, red, white, blue, green. Green, yep. Cool, dude. Actually start working on the graphic now, shall we? The graphic's pretty much done. I have some sizes to redo. I've got this nice little diagram that the customer provided me with, so that's the sizes that they want. Thankfully, he actually knew the size of the door. This graphic is going on a door, a white door. That's why we have a black stroke around living the dream. And apparently this guy's going to apply it himself, so we'll see how that goes. If he messes it up, he has to pay for more graphics. I don't know why people do that. I mean, I guess maybe he wants to just try it out and see what it's like. I suppose that's cool, but we're not paying for his mistakes. That's for sure. So, first off, I'm gonna try to get some music going here. How about that? Alright, so I have a cool channel that I like to play music from. It's called Rewind Remix, and all their stuff is all free. It's not copyright and stuff, so you can play it and not be worried about YouTube blocking your stream. So alright, so I'm gonna go ahead . Come on, play. Play these shiz. Oh, did my YouTube just freeze? Are you kidding me? I broke it. I broke it hardcore. I need to see how the volume level is versus my voice, so what I'm trying to do now is refresh the page. Come on, YouTube. Alright, so I'm just going to talk for a little bit. Alright. Sounds like I can go. Oh, you were hearing through my headset. Okay. Filters. Headphones. Sounds like I can go. Alright. So let's see how loud and annoying this is. Alright. Yeah, let's try that out and go from there. I'm playing some music now. I'm just talking while it's playing. Perfect. So, there. Now I have some music I can listen to while I am streaming. Hopefully it doesn't kill the stream. See how that goes. It is looking like I'm only receiving 40 kilobytes per second. Or kilobits per second. Oh no, that is kilobytes. Cool. So I'm sending. So I am only sending on the second Wi-Fi. That's sick. That's cool. That's really cool. Alright, so let's undo this. This needs to be 8 inches high. And this right now I have all as one. I need to break that up. So let's do this. we'll just have to redo this again, so getting rid of that. So living, that needs to be, you wanted that to be 6. That looks alright. Okay, living. Actually, if I just do there we go. And then dream. Alright, so red, white, and blue. Just like so. Center. The align. That's why am I aligned to artboard? No, align to selection. Dude, awesome. Okay. Now that that's created, I'm going to copy that, lock the top layer there, make a new layer, Control Shift V to place in the same position, move the layer below, and change the color of all these to black. Why that's off from that, I have no idea. It's a little weird. Okay. I didn't copy and paste in the same position. Okay. And actually, we're going to change that to this black because this black is a far darker black. It just looks better. And it doesn't matter what color it is in this program because it's going to be going over to Cut Studio, this program. And this program does not see color. That only sees the vertices that we'll be making. We'll be turning this into a vector artwork. Oh yeah, it's good stuff. Okay, so that's done. Now we're going to add a stroke onto all these. Also going to be black. And we'll just increase that a bit. And he probably wants it some bold. Probably that'd look good. So if I get my ruler out. Oh, where'd they move the ruler to? Really? Alright, measure. Boom, boom. That's not right. Boom. Okay. Oh, okay. Gotcha. So that's about a little over a 1/4 inch. Let me grab my yardstick or measuring tape. gonna do a little snap video quick. Cause I got this sick setup right now. So, two 24-inch screens, 1080p 60 Hz, and then one 43-inch 4K TV, 60 Hz. Pretty sick. All being run off of a GTX 1050 Ti. That little card is extremely powerful. People really underestimate it. The only reason I got it is because it's a budget build, just to show what a low-end gaming machine could be. This thing can fucking play a lot of games at 4K and get 60 FPS at all times. It's great. Alright, let's get to it, shall we? Alright, so as we were saying here, it's a little over a 1/4 inch wide, which is good. And 1/4 inch is about like that. Yep, that's perfect. That is a good amount. So, I'm actually going to move that info bar right there because that would be extremely helpful. It's a navigator. Oh, you can actually, I did not know you could do that. That's pretty nifty. Cool. I might just leave the navigator over there as well. Nice. Okay, so as I was saying, so that's that, that's that, that's that. Now for stroke, wait, what the fuck? How's the stream now? I dropped a lot of frames, what the fuck? Waiting for YouTube to update. I want to know what's up with my stream. Okay, there we go. So was something up with... That's weird. Yeah, stream health should be better now. Alright. Let's get back to it. So, we have this red, white, and blue layer locked right now. So we need to change the background, the black, the stroke, to a single object so it can be read by the vector program for the cutter. So as you'll see right now, I just did that, and that's all fine and dandy, but it doesn't have the actual stroke yet. It has just the inside. So you have to go expand it one more time, click OK, and that's when you get that. And then you merge it all together by doing this. Boom. So now it's a vector. You can actually pick it up, break it apart, and it's great. Because it's a stroke, they're all connected. So, yep, it's pretty sweet. Cool. Thanks, Beck. Alrighty. Let's move it over a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. Is the stream okay? Are you still watching? Cause it says that my stream health is fair. It's yellow. It's not green, not red, it's yellow. So I'm trying this new network modding. I'm using two mifi mobile hotspots, and I'm trying to basically bridge the networks kind of, but also I want to bond them. I want to do network teaming, but that's not possible in Windows 10 because Microsoft got rid of that feature. But I would supposedly okay, now my stream health is green, so okay. I haven't dropped any more frames yet, so that's good. Let's see here. I wonder if I really wanted to like dedicate just the stream to one thing. I suppose I could get another computer and just do TeamViewer on this computer and share the screen like that. It might be a little laggy, but it'd work. Plus it would fucking, no, that would, nah, no, it's good how it is. Alright, so we need to change this top layer. Let's lock the back layer there so don't select it. And now we need to change this to vector, so boom, boom, boom. And also, since we're here like this, we're actually gonna save this as a new file because we don't want to have to go back and make it all from scratch. So this is version 1.1 now. And now, since we're gonna start basically bulk changing it to vectors, we're gonna immediately save this as a vector file. So EPS, and for the cutter, I have to change this from CC to version 3. It's the only one that I can read because there's not all that extra crap data. It just needs the base vertice locations, and that's it. So expand and merge it. So now it should all be one. Yep. And you could still pick it apart with this, I believe. Yep. Sweet. Now we gotta do that to Pixtown. Merge it. This is already a vector. This is already a vector. This is already a vector, and that's already a vector. We can see the height of this one is 14.7 inches and 15.7 wide. So what we can do is, it's actually pretty good for the most part. See, the canvas, the artboard is actually 2 sides right now, so we should be good to cut then. So let's go ahead and save this again. Open up the Cut Studio program. I'm just going to save this as a blank. Since that's the version that we went with where we started doing vector stuff, I named it version 1.1 to match that. Okay. Go ahead, drag the EPS on there, and there is our graphic. It actually grabbed that too. That's actually our frame. We could keep that on here if we wanted to. There we go. This should be separate. Yep. That should be good. Cool beans. Alright. Oh, get rid of that. And this is actually all to size right now. Should be. This should be 8 inches high. The P in there. It says 5.6. That's not right. Okay. So the font size is off. Okay, well, no big deal. We're still in vector, so change this to 8. And we don't want to keep that, so it's going to look a little squished, and that's okay. Because he already approved it before when it was squished, so it's okay. And these are probably no longer that tall, are they? It's only 4 inches tall. That's a no-go. Let's try to make that bigger then. So if you look, we need about double the size. So something about like so. You'll see it's still, yeah, that should be about 8 or about 6. So we'll do that. Bring this up in the middle. Let's see here. These can be made smaller. Just for now. Move those off to the side. He said he wanted this to take up half of the canvas, so fucking fly. So we're gonna move that out of the way. We're gonna ungroup this. Lock the back layer there. And now this should be separate. Okay. Group, group, and group. Now we can move those individually. Sweet. We need to do the same thing for the back, so let's lock that layer. Ungroup this. Ungroup this. A lot of work for a simple graphic. I have not found an easier way to do this. It's the downside. Unlock the back layer too. Go ahead and move this up. And actually, let's test the size. It's almost 6, that'll work. Once we're down like this, we can actually increase the size and it'll be just fine. So, boom. And go just about like that. That should be great. Now you're looking at 6 inches high. Sweet. That should do it for that. So let's lock those layers. And this originally I have an idea. Let's I want to do something different with this. I want to put this, make that smaller. Living the and dream. Let's move dream over a bit. And we can make that a bit smaller. Because I want to try something cool. It's just that there's not enough size. Is there not enough room to do that, is there? Okay. Let's could stretch that, but excuse me. Allergies. Yeah. Okay. That looks good. Let's go ahead and save that. Bring these back in here. We can actually make those bigger now. Perfect. That will work. I think he's gonna like that. Alright. Save it again. Get rid of all that crap. Drag the vector back in. Now it's to size, I hope, P should be 8 inches high, or 7.6. That'll work. It's good enough. Okay. So now it's a matter of separating the black. Yeah, we're gonna segregate the colors here. Alright, so black there. This is also black. So is Pixtown. Pixtown needs to be grouped. Integrate the polygons. And I believe that is all that there is for black. Yep. Okay. It's a special occasion, so I'm drinking pop. Okay. That should work for the black. Let's do the white next. Let's get the white cutting. So I'm gonna plug in the printer USB here, or the cutter USB. Everyone calls it the printer. All right. Cutting set up. I think it's already set up. Yeah. Yep. So this would be a quick cut. So as you can see, it's a little smaller, so we gotta rotate that, which is fine. It's a scrap piece, so I don't care about wasting the stuff on the right. But all right, go ahead and cut that. Have Chrome. If you got that email, you probably opened up Microsoft Edge. Did you open up the blue icon? Okay, yeah, you probably signed in on there. That's why. Yep, it's just letting you know that it was you signed in from a different browser than you normally do. Just a security thing, that's all. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. I mean, Chrome is a lot faster and safer, but. No, you should be fine. Yep. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Bye. Just had a customer. Just had a customer call. She had an email saying someone signed in from Microsoft Edge. And she's like, don't I use Chrome? I was like, well, did you open up the blue icon and sign in? And she's like, yeah. I'm like, well, that's why you're getting the email. Okay. I'm going to... How do I want to do that? Because that has home, I'd have to do TeamViewer. I'll probably be cutting the graphics away from where you guys can see me. Actually, I might have to. Might cut them over there. That's about the only spot that has room. Okay, I'm gonna. Alright, time to do this next one. So white is done. I always put my done ones below. Red. Actually, for all these, you can switch them to their side because they're longer. This needs to be integrated. So if we flip that 90, boom. That's red. Blue, swish, needs to be rotated. Okay, let's go set up the red. Actually, there's a nice little piece of scrap here. What's the dimensions of that? Actually, no, it won't, because this is. Well, that might work. What is the length of that? 30. Oh, never mind. It's not even close. Not even close to being enough. I think I'm going to put a piece of scratch though. Nope, no scraps that size, so they use the rope. No big deal. If I can do it, I would prefer to use them for scraps. It is what it is. Check on that. Set up the. Okay, cut that. hockey is part of the thing. And he's an admin, of course. extreme's done. Switches up next. Actually rotate that a bit. Take up this room. There's a deer. There's deer fits on there. Might usually get fit. Sweet. Just like that. Bada bing, bada boom. UPS is here. That's done. Fishy. Hello. There's that. Anything you need and more? I think that's my dad's stuff. Ah, I hope so. Yeah, I'm working. I'm actually streaming it right now. But streaming? Yep. Live here on YouTube right now. Oh. But yeah, that's what it's going for. It's a door. 78-inch tall door. So, yeah, all that out. Yeah. Have a good day. Yeah, you too. What goods we got here? Ooh. Special little unboxing. Unplanned unboxing. Check it out. This. It's a wireless Bluetooth speaker. And it's fucking powerful. Awesome. Oh, you can mount it to the roof of your car. That's cool. Got 2 of them. Can't wait to try it out. There for now. I'll let my dad know. The shipment came in. Fish. I got the roll ready. No, I don't want to do new. File. Set up. Okay. Am I having a brain fart? I just had it in my hand. Where did I literally just put the knife? Oh, fucking in my pocket, of course. Okay. last leg of this vinyl. Good. Good. Okay. Do it. Alright. So that's that. I'm going to go ahead and get to peeling that stuff, so I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.